In this video, we will learn about how blood flow produces Korotkoff sounds. First, make sure you have reviewed the steps to taking blood pressure in Exercise 29 of the Allen Lab Manual. Let's start with the cuff of the sphygmomanometer wrapped around the arm. Before the cuff is pumped tight with air, blood is flowing freely through the brachial artery down to the forearm and hand. This smooth flow of blood is called laminar flow. Now when the blood pressure cuff is inflated to about 180 millimeters of mercury, the arm is squeezed so tightly that the brachial artery is pinched shut. At this point, blood flow is completely cut off and no sound will be heard through the stethoscope. Once the valve of the sphygmomanometer is opened, the pressure in the cuff and on the brachial artery is slowly released. When the pressure in the brachial artery exceeds the pressure of the cuff, the vessel is forced to open slightly and blood rushes through. This pressure is the systolic pressure, meaning it is the pressure exerted on the artery walls when the ventricles contract. Because the brachial artery is not fully open at this point, blood rushes through in a disorganized, chaotic manner. This is called turbulent flow. Turbulent flow of blood creates the first Korotkoff sound heard through the stethoscope, and it sounds like a whoosh. As pressure continues to drop, the artery widens until it is fully open once again. At this point, even when the ventricles are relaxed, the pressure of the blood is able to keep the artery fully open, and thus this is called the diastolic pressure. Now that blood is flowing smoothly again, laminar flow is restored, and all sounds of turbulent flow cease. So the second Korotkoff sound is actually the sound of silence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful.